Hi beautiful people, I'm so glad you're back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna work on our arch. We'll be improving our arch strength and foot bridge. Let's talk first about the arch. That is very important, that it's not even about the stretching but more about the strength of your muscles. Improving all the muscles that contribute to your arch of the foot is the key to improving foot shape. These are calf muscle and intrinsic foot muscle. Dancers' feet should always be in control of these muscles. That is very important because if your arch collapses when it's weight bearing, all the bones of the arch have rolled and will get strong exactly into that rolled position. Also, I always say to my athletes, dancers, that first you warm up, then you stretch, very gentle, not forcing, and then you develop the strength of your feet. So like very gentle, not like sitting on your both foot, for example, for 20 minutes and then thinking about like, okay, tomorrow I'll get the high arch and high bridge foot. It's not like that, unfortunately. And I would even say that stretching like splits, for example, is even like more easier and a little faster than improving your arch. This is a daily work. I will show you few exercises and will explain you how you should work on improving your arch and then how to stretch to get more like higher bridge foot. So let's not waste our time, let's work. Alright, so first we need to warm up our arch a little bit. You just put one leg, one foot on the wall and like very gentle go back and forward, back and forward. Also, if you feel like pain anywhere, like in any point of your foot, then just stay in this position like up to 10 seconds and then slowly roll it, like very gentle. If you do it like at least 2 minutes for each foot, that would be great. So let's do the other one. Good. Okay, let's continue with the second exercise. You just make a flex foot and then push with the fingers, with your hand, toes towards yourself a little bit here. Good. 2, 3 and relax 4. 1, 2, 3 and relax 4. Also you can do it into this position. 1, 2, 3 and relax 4. Good. Next exercise, just put one foot on the floor. Also you can do just lifting one big toe and then the second big one and the second big one and the second and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Next exercise, we're gonna need a pen. We just trying to take it from the floor. Here you should feel like muscle strength. Put the pen under your arch and you can put, for example, a coin under your big toe, or just imagine that you put the coin and you try to lift your arch without lifting up. And while you're doing all these exercises, the most important thing that your tibia should be exactly in one line with your second toe. Let me show you. Exactly with the second toe. Not here, nope, not there. It doesn't work this way. So just like one line here. The next exercise we'll do stretching. Demi point You should go exactly in the center. Not here, not there. Exactly on the second toe. I usually say between big toe and the second toe. Sit like that at least 30 seconds. Just make it like very gentle. Don't rush, don't force it. Good. Let's switch sides. For those of you who is not the beginner, I will recommend to do both legs. In the next exercise, we're going to do Ballet, and you will need a ball or just socks. This will help you to go exactly the right position on Ballet. I'm going to put this, and you just have to keep it. And while you go on Ballet, you will keep it here and go down. If you go that way, you won't be able to hold the socks. If you go that way, this will also hurt everything here. Also, when you go down, keep it one line with your tibia. We go into sixth position just on 11. Stand with one leg. Work a little bit on stretching our bridge, foot bridge. So let me show you just a few exercises and then we'll do butt mountain. So for the beginners, you just can put one leg under your butt and with your butt sit on the heel of your foot. It should not go that way, like that. Or if you're a ballet dancer and you want to get this banana feet, you should go a little bit more on a big toe. Same if you're a ballet dancer, I would say this stretching is one of the best, and you can improve your foot bridge here, like pretty well. Like this, and then come closer and sit like this. Is also. Now, sitting into this position, we just go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and vice versa. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Next one, you can keep both arms into this position if you're a rhythmic gymnastic athlete. If you're a ballet dancer, just in the third position or second position. If you're a beginner, just put both hands on the floor. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Just make sure that your heel goes like up. And both feet are together. Not into this position, not into this position. Exactly one line. And 5, 6, 7 till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Good. 8. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Good. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Good. 8. Move foot like that, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 8 here. Both toes up, not like that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 8. 1, 2. On the other way. While you're thinking about the working leg, which is opening to the side, front, or back, you should think also about the standing leg, because arch should not go down or go back. And from this position, we go a little bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Play. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play. Play. We do 1, 2, we go demi-point, coup de pied, open to this side, demi-point, and close. And that's it. I hope you like it, and I hope that this video is gonna be very helpful for you. Please do these exercises daily to improve your arch, and have a great day then.